guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a first impression, and the deep conditioner I'll be using today is African Prize Black Castor Miracle Growth Protection Formula Deep Penetrating Conditioner Moisture Restore Treatment. So this is how it looks, and I had to get the packages because when I went to the store they didn't have like a jar or a bottle or anything, or at least I didn't see any. Only seeing these packages, so I actually picked up 3, and hopefully these 3 will be enough for my hair. This deep conditioner claims to deeply nourish, hydrates, and repairs dry, damaged hair, and I definitely need that. Today my hair is super dry. I don't know why, but it's super dry, so I'm really hoping this does moisturize my hair. This product contains black castor oil, coconut milk, and shea butter, and I like that on the back of the packaging here it actually tells you the benefits of these 3 ingredients. The black castor oil nourishes scalp and helps to promote hair growth. The coconut milk replenishes moisture, naturally softens and detangles, and the shea butter deeply moisturizes, helps strengthen and protect. So that's really nice that they included that on the product. I'm not sure if all products mention those type of things, like what the ingredients are good for as far as your hair, but I like that they mentioned that. So let's go ahead and start applying this thing to my hair, because honey, when I say my hair is dry, it's unbelievably dry. I'll be looking this way because my mirror is over here. Switching to voiceover because it's easier. So you guys, my hair was extremely dry, especially my ends. I low-key think it's time for a trim, but I'll save that for another video. And you guys should already know, section your hair off. I'm going to cut this package open, and here's the consistency. It wasn't thick or runny. It kind of felt like a lotion, kind of like the ORS replenishing conditioner, if you guys ever use that, but minus the stickiness. I'm applying it all over, and I'm going to start detangling with this paddle brush I got from Dollar Tree. This brush is so trifling. I wish I caught on camera what happened with it, but anyway, I mean, you get what you pay for, right? I don't like to judge a product's detangling abilities based off the front of my hair, because it's never hard to detangle this area of my hair. I don't know if it's because of the texture or what, but I do like to judge it based off the thicker parts of my hair, like the back and the crown. And unfortunately, my camera died, so I finished applying to all the other sections off camera, and I detangle off camera too. And I sat with the deep conditioner for about 30 minutes. Now I'm detangling the back section, and this subsection was pretty easy, but the crown not so much. The brush kept getting caught in my hair. It wasn't as smooth. But once I worked through the kinks, it was fine. It just took longer than expected. I thought it would be easier, being that the deep conditioner had been sitting in my hair for a while compared to the other sections where I went straight in with detangling. Once I was done, I rinsed, and here's my hair. I can say my hair is soft and moisturized. My ends feel better, but they can go for a round 2 in my opinion. The detangling wasn't much help. I kind of struggled with it, so yeah, it definitely could have been better. The cost is amazing. It was $128 if I didn't say that, and I had 3 packages and used only 2. One pack was able to cover 2 sections of my hair. Will I go out and pick up another one? Probably not. If I was in a pinch and low on funds, I might pick it up. And out of 5 stars, I give this product 2 stars. I know that sounds bad, but I'm just trying to be honest. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.